5 jobs that will earn you money while sitting at home. Are you looking for a job where you don't have to sit in the office? Does 9 to 5 job bore you? There's probably nothing to worry about. Here are 5 work from home jobs which will earn you money. Number 1. Customer services. Customer service offers the highest number of work from home opportunities. People who exhibit great communication skills and a lot of patience are perfect for this job. Companies look for the workers who have great speaking skills and can help the customers resolving their grievances. They give quite a decent pay for these jobs, and that also adds up to your skills and experience. Here you would be talking to the company's customers and will help them solve their issues with the product and give them after sales services. Number 2. Online tutor. Are you bored for the school schedules but still want to teach? Then get yourself registered to one of the online tutoring sites and start teaching. All you have to do is make your profile on this site, giving the details about your prior experience and the subjects you can teach. Once you get registered, you will be supposed to take classes on Skype or do some pre-recorded sessions. You can also teach and give lessons in cooking, yoga and music, etc. Number 3. Content writing. If you have a good command over grammar and have a flow in your writing, you can go for this job. There is a high demand in the market for well-researched content creators and writers. There are many startups which are in dire need for content writers. Apply, test and skill unlock. Number 4. Designing. Are you good with creative graphics and virtual drawing? Here is one more job for you, whether it can be for promotion, marketing or even for a social cause. Companies design their campaigns from time to time. They let you work and design various posters and other graphics for these campaigns and events. And last, number 5. Pollster. Pollster is someone who takes or arranges a poll. Companies hire people for taking the surveys. As a pollster, you can supposed to take public opinion on given topics and issues. It could be during the elections, asking people about their expectations with the minister, or it could be a product survey also. Someone who is good with people and can talk to them freely can do this job well. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you for watching this video.